Now in this lecture we discuss about a remaining question of exercise 4.5. Question number 8. Find the inverse of a matrix A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, minus 7, 2, 1, and 10, same 1, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 4, and second row here 0, 2, minus 3, and in 11 determinant 1, 0, 0, 0 cos alpha, sin alpha, 0 sin alpha, minus cos alpha. Find the inverse. In our previous lecture we discussed about inverse, how to find inverse. Already we get inverse of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, and 0, 0, 5. Applying same, find inverse of A. Clear? Here we solve this 11. Question number 11. Find inverse of matrix A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0 cos alpha, sin alpha, 0 sin alpha, minus cos alpha. Here we know that if a determinant of A not equal to 0, then inverse exists. For this here, first we get a determinant of A is 1, 0, 0, 0 cos alpha, sin alpha, 0 sin alpha, minus cos alpha. So is equal to 1 into product of these two, minus cos square alpha, minus product of these two, minus sin square alpha. Minus take common, we get cos square plus sin square become minus 1. So not equal to 0. Clear? So determinant of A not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Now we know that A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoints of A. For this here, first we find adjoints of A. And we know that how to find adjoints of A. Adjoints of A is equal to transpose of a matrix replacing each entries by its cofactor. Here for cofactor we know that how to find this cofactor. First apply minus sign in a midterm. Here plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and a plus. Now write a minor of each elements. Minor of 1 is equal to product of these two, minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha becomes minus 1. Similarly, minor of 0 is equal to, remove this column and row, 0 into this becomes 0. So 0 into minus sign, that is a 0. Clear? 0 minor of this is a product of these two minus product of these two, that is a 0. Similarly, minor of 0 is equal to, remove this row and column, product of these two minus product of these two becomes 0 into negative number becomes 0. Minor of cos, remove this row and column, 1 into this, that is minus cos alpha, 0 into this, that is a 0. Similarly for this sin, remove this row and the column, product of these two, sin alpha, and into minus, that is minus sin alpha. Clear? Clear this? product of these two minus 0, that is a sin alpha, and apply minus sign. Similarly for 0, minor is a 0 into 0, 0 into 0, it becomes 0. For sin alpha, remove this row and column, product of these two sin alpha, so minus, apply this, so sin alpha minus. Similarly for this, remove this row and column, 1 into cos alpha become cos alpha, and the second entry is 0. So this is a matrix obtained by cofactor of each element. Now get a transpose of this. First row become first column, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, minus cos alpha, minus sin alpha, clear, and 0, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Now find A inverse. A inverse is equal to, we know that 1 upon determinant of A into adjoints of A into adjoints of A. So is equal to 1 upon determinant of A. Value of determinant of A is equal to minus 1. So here minus 1 into adjoints of A is a minus 1, 0, 0, 0, minus cos alpha, minus sin alpha, and 0, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Clear? Minus take inside. So is equal to, we get, remember this, 1, 0, 0, 0, cos alpha, sin alpha. Clear? No? And 0, sin alpha minus cos alpha. So this becomes inverse of a given matrix. Clear? So inverse of a matrix. Okay. Now question number 12. Let A is equal to 3, 7, 2, 5. B is equal to 6, 8, 7, 9. Verify AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. To verify this result, first we get AB, then find inverse, then find A inverse, B inverse, and get a matrix multiplication. Here A into B, matrix multiplication of A and B, A is a 3, 7, 2, 5. B is a 6, 8, 7, 9. So is equal to, A into B is equal to, we know that how to get. 3 into 6, 18, plus 7 into 7, 49. 3 into 8, 24. 7 into 9, 63. 2 into 6, 12. 5 into 7, 35. 2 into 8, 16. 5 into 9, 45. So is equal to, here addition of these two, 7 and becomes 6. Here becomes 7, 8. Here becomes 7, 4. Here becomes 6, 5, 11, 6. Clear? So AB. Now think how to get AB inverse. For this here, first we get the determinant of A into B. So 67, 87, 47, 61. So is equal to product of these two, 67 into 61 minus 47 into 87. Clear? Is equal to, the product of these two is equal to 4087 minus product of these two is equal to 4089 is equal to minus 2 not equal to 0. Clear? So determinant of AB not equal to 0. Now find the adjoints of AB. Adjoints of AB is equal to, we know that in a 2 cross 2 square matrix how to find adjoints of AB. Here replace principal diagonal entries 61, here 67, and the sign of this minus 87 and minus 47. Clear? So this is adjoints of AB. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoints of A. So is equal to 1 upon determinant of A is a minus 2. Adjoints of A is a 61 minus 87 minus 47 and 67. So this becomes inverse of AB. Now we find the A inverse, B inverse, then get a metric multiplication of a B inverse into A inverse. Now here we find the B inverse, A inverse, then metric multiplication. A is equal to, we have 3, 7, 2, 5. To get A inverse, first find the determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to 3, 7, 2, 5 is equal to 3 into 5, 15, minus 7 into 2, 14 is equal to 1, not equal to 0. And the adjoints of A is equal to, replace principal diagonal entries 5, 3, and the sign of this leading diagonal entries minus 7, minus 2. So this is the adjoints of A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoints of A. We know from this formula find the A inverse. Determinant of A is equal to 1. So 1 upon 1, that is a 1, into adjoints of A is equal to 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. Clear? Similarly, find the B inverse. So B is equal to 6, 8, 7, 9. Therefore, determinant of B is equal to 6, 8, 7, 9. So is equal to 6, 9, 54 minus 8, 7, 56 is equal to minus 2. And the adjoints of B is equal to matrix from this 9, 6, change the sign of this minus 8 and minus 7. Clear? Therefore, B inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of B is a minus 2 into adjoints of B is a 9 minus 8 minus 7, 6. Clear? Therefore, find B inverse into A inverse. B inverse is a minus 1 upon 2 into 9 minus 8 minus 7, 6 into A inverse is equal to 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. So is equal to minus 1 by 2 into metric multiplication of these two matrices. 9 into 5, 45, minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16, 9 into 7, 63, minus 8 into 3, minus 24, minus 7 into 5, minus 35, 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12, minus plus 7, 7, 49, 6 into 3 plus 18, so is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here we get 6, 5, 11, 4 plus 2, 6, 61. Here becomes minus 87. Here becomes minus 47. Here becomes 7 and 667. Clear? And we know that AB inverse is equal to minus 1 by 2. Already we get this 61 minus 87 and minus 47, 67. So take result 1 and this is result 2. So by 1 and 2, therefore by 1 and 2, AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Clear? Hence proof. Now question number 13. If A is equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2, show that x square minus 5a plus 7 into I is equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. For this first we get a x square. Here ax square is equal to A into A, that is a 3 1 minus 1 2 into A, 3 1 minus 1 into 2. Clear? So is equal to, now get matrix multiplication of these two. 3 3 9 minus 1, here 3 plus 2, here become minus 3 minus 2, here become minus 1 and a plus 2 to 4. So is equal to, here 8, 5, here minus 5 and 3. Clear? Therefore x square minus 5a plus 7 into I is equal to, x square is equal to, we have 8, 5, minus 5, 3, minus 5 into A is equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2, plus 7 into I, 1, 0, 0, 1. Here, these two terms are of a 2 cross 2 square matrix. So we take identity here, matrix 2 cross 2 square matrix. Clear? So is equal to 5 take inside, 7 take inside. So we get 8, 5, minus 5, 3, plus minus 15, minus 5, minus plus 5 and 10, plus 7, 0, 0, 7. So is equal to, here sum of these two, 8 plus 7, 15, minus 15 becomes 0. 5 minus 5 plus 0, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 3 plus 10 minus 7. This also become 0. Here minus 5 into 2 become minus 10. So this become also 0. Clear? So is equal to 0 matrix. So x square minus 5a, x square minus 5a plus 7 into I is equal to 0. Clear? Now think how to get A inverse. For A inverse, multiplying by A inverse to both sides, we get A inverse into x square that is A into A, minus 5 into A inverse plus 7 into A inverse into I is equal to 0. Therefore, this become I into A become A minus A into A inverse become I into 5, that is 5I, plus 7 A inverse into I becomes A inverse. Clear? Equal to 0. Therefore, formulate A inverse. So 7 A inverse is equal to, take these two this side, so 5I minus A. So is equal to 5 into I is equal to 1 0 0 1 minus A is equal to, we know that 3 1 minus 1 2, clear? A. So is equal to 5 take inside, then take a subtraction of these two. 5 minus 3 becomes 2. Here 0 minus 1 become minus 1. 0 minus minus plus become 1. Here 5 minus 2 become a 3. Clear this? So 7 inverse is equal to this. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon 7 into 2 minus 1 1 3. Is it clear? So remember this, how to get A inverse. Now next question. Question number 14. If for a matrix A is equal to 3 2 1 1, find A and B such that x square plus A into A plus B into I is equal to 0. For this, first we get the x square. Here x square is equal to A into A. A is a 3 2 1 1 into 3 2 1 1. Find matrix multiplication. 3 3 9 in plus 2 into 1 2. 9 plus 2 becomes 11. Here 3 to 6 plus 2 becomes 8. Here 1 into 3 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Here 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Clear? Therefore x square plus A into A plus B into I is equal to 0. Here given x square is 11 8 4 3 plus A into matrix is 3 2 1 1 plus B into 1 0 0 1. Clear? Is equal to 0. Therefore now A take inside, B take inside and take addition. We get here 11 plus 3A plus B. Here clear? 11 plus 3A plus B. First element of each matrix. Similarly 8 plus 2A, 8 plus 2A plus 0 into B, that is 0. Similarly 4 plus A into 1, that is 4 plus A, and here 0. 3 plus A, and the last is 1 plus 1. Clear? Equal to 0. Now simplify this. Here becomes 11 plus 3A plus B, or directly compare with 0 matrix. Here 0 matrix is equal to, you know that, 0 0 0 0, because this is a 2 cross 2 square matrix. Now compare with the corresponding entries. 8 plus 2A is equal to 0. Clear this? So 8 plus 2A is equal to 0. This implies A is equal to, 8 take this side, divide by 2, so minus 4. Clear? 4 plus A is equal to 0, so A equal to minus 4. Now 11 plus 3A plus B compare with 0. So 11 plus 3A plus B is equal to 0. Replace A by minus 4. So 11 minus 4 3 12 plus B equal to 0. So B minus 1 take this side, so become plus 1. So B is equal to 1 and A is equal to minus 4. important question. Remember this, how to solve this. Clear? Now, question 15. For matrix A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Show that A raised to 3 minus 6x square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 0, and hence find A inverse. We know that how to find A inverse from given result, and how to show that, or how to verify these terms. First we get x square A into A, then find A raised to 3, multiplying x square with A, we get A raised to 3, replacing A raised to 3, x square, A and I, we get a 0. Now to get A inverse, multiplying by A inverse, formulate A inverse from these terms and get a inverse. Just try to solve this yourself. Question number 16 also same given. For a matrix A is equal to 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2. Verify A cube minus 6x square plus 9 into A minus 4i is equal to 0, and hence find A inverse. You know that how to verify this. Clear? Question number 17. Objective question given. Let A be non-singular square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then adjoints of A and determinant of this is equal to blank. Remember this here. If A is a n cross n matrix, remember this, then determinants of adjoints of A is equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1. We know order of this is a 3. So is equal to becomes determinant of A raised to 3 minus 1, that is a 2. Clear? So answer is a B. Now 18. If A is invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant of A inverse is equal to blank. A inverse like this. Then determinants of A inverse is equal to blank. Option are given. Determinant of A, 1 upon determinant of A. We know that A into A inverse is equal to I. This implies determinant of A into A inverse is equal to determinant of I is equal to 1. So this implies here determinant of A into determinant of A inverse is equal to 1. So this implies here determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A. Clear? So option B, 1 upon determinant of A. Clear? Now remaining topics and miscellaneous exercise we solve in our next lecture. Okay.